Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake goop. This amazing mixture is your secret weapon for perfectly released cakes every single time. Say goodbye to stuck-on bottoms and torn edges. It's far more effective than just greasing and flouring, giving you consistently beautiful results. Let's dive into making this simple, yet incredibly useful, baking essential. Making cake goop is incredibly simple, requiring just 3 common kitchen ingredients. You'll need 1 part all-purpose flour, 1 part vegetable shortening, and 1 part vegetable oil. For example, you could use 1 cup of each. These 3 components work together to create a non-stick barrier that truly makes a difference in your baking. Gather these items and we'll move on to mixing. Now for the easy part, mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your equal parts of flour, shortening, and vegetable oil. Using a whisk, stir everything together thoroughly. Continue whisking until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. The consistency should be similar to a thick pancake batter. This ensures an even coating on your pans. To use your homemade cake goop, simply brush a thin, even layer onto all interior surfaces of your cake pan, including the bottom, sides, and any intricate corners. A pastry brush works wonderfully for this. Any leftover goop can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for several weeks, or even longer in the refrigerator. It's ready whenever you need it for your next baking adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.